Hey guys, I'm Jenny Berger with Property People. Maybe you can relate. Marketing, cold calling, text messaging, direct mail. Literally, I loathe the thought of doing these types of marketing. And after the webinar with Gerald, I knew that it was the right program for us. Instantly resonated with me that instead of me trying to solicit people and almost convince them to sell their house to me, that we were gonna get warm, motivated leads coming right into us via our website and our marketing platforms and implemented in this program. One of the best things about this program is that it's so easy to understand. It comes in a series of steps. It's color-coded, it's outlined by week, and if you follow the steps, step by step, there's my dog. If you follow the steps, step by step by step, and if you need help, you call upon the support team who are always there for you. You just do it by step and you will get it done. I have told this to other people, and I don't like using this term, but it's the truth and it's what comes to mind. Gerald really dumbs it down for us, and that is exactly what I needed. I knew nothing about SEO. I still don't know that much about SEO, but what I will tell you is that I know enough right now to understand why we have to put certain things in place and why they're there, right? So, and on top of all of this, Gerald's a really good guy. He's one of the most genuine, hilarious people that I've ever met. He has this sort of personality that comes off. It could be a little off-putting if you read a forum post on BiggerPockets, but once you kind of get to see the inner side of Gerald, not only does he really care about helping us, real estate investors, I truly believe that he cares about helping other people. And that resonates deeply with us because we care about people too. So I think it's a program I would definitely recommend. Work the steps, follow the steps in order, and just go for it. And if I can ever be of any service or help to you during this process or before even in your decision-making process, I'm happy to help. Reach out to me.